Talk about the installation method of the projector hanger. Turn the projector over first so that the back is facing up. Be sure to avoid hitting the light bulb during the flipping process. There are many screw holes on the back of the machine. Every machine is different. Then put the claw of the hanger in the middle. Guaranteed force balance. The position of the hole and the length should be in the same direction. Take out 2 Allen keys. Use a small hex wrench to loosen the screws. Adjust the position of the fixing screw after unscrewing. Easy to fix later. If the distance is not enough, a short screw extension is required. Then take out the supporting C and D screws. Put the spacer under. Tighten the screw with an Allen wrench to extend the. Make sure each claw is fixed in the corresponding screw hole. Then take out the gaskets of the G. H and F accessory kits determine. In the location and choose a place with a balanced force. The spacers of the H accessory pack are placed on the bottom. And the F and G accessories are stacked together on the top. Then take out the screw of the accessory back A and tighten it. Don't tighten too much for now. After the other few are installed, fix them together and tighten them. The other 3 were fixed using the same method. The spacer is added because the screw is too long. Need to be raised to avoid damage to the chassis. Here, because the distance is not enough, you need to add an extension rod, because there is no need to extend too much. You can adjust the distance properly and then fix it. After the 4 screws are fixed, tighten the screws of the chassis. The hole and the bulb must be in the same direction. After installation, check to make sure it is fixed tightly. Enough to hang the projector. The next step is to assemble the hanger. After installing the base, talk about the adjustment method of the ground projector boom. We need to loosen these two screws with a large Allen wrench. Be careful not to unscrew completely. Put the pole inside. Tighten it again. The screw must be tightened, otherwise it will be separated again due to the weight of the projector itself. Try it now. Is the downward projection installation method. Start to assemble the other side. This is the claw fixed to the ceiling. Fix the porous pole and claw with screws. After the 3 holes are fixed, use the same method. Post fixation with extension rods. It can also be fixed with only one section. In the actual installation, the upper section can be fixed to the ceiling first, then lift the lower section and fix it with screws. This is more convenient. Now use the screws to secure the left and right sides. Prevent shaking. The overall assembly is complete. You can see the effect. You can see the actual impact after the installation. The boom and ceiling of this floor projector are fixed. The distance can be adjusted by the telescopic rod. The projector is facing down.